Hello and welcome. Today the Nakshatram is Chittira. It is therefore the second day of the Attam Pattonam, that is the run-up to Onam. One of the preparations of this Attam Pattonam is the making of a floral pattern, a kolam or rangoli called Pookalam. As this Pookalam is started on Attam day, it is also called Attappu. However, on Attam day when this Pookalam is started, only yellow flowers are used to make it. But from Chitra Nakshatram onwards, different colored flowers are used to make the Pookalam. And the Pookalam is made bigger and bigger and bigger until Onam. The recipe that I am sharing with you today is a Trivandrum special Sadya Dal Curry. This Dal Curry is a must-have Onam item in Trivandrum and the south of Kerala. What I understand, however, is as you travel northwards from Trivandrum, this Dal Curry ceases to be a mandatory item. It is usually cooked thick and called Sadya Parippu and served on the side of the banana leaf as a side dish. Come, let's make this Trivandrum special Sadya Dal Curry. ഇന്ന് ചിത്ര നക്ഷത്രമാണ്. അത്തം പത്തോണത്തിൻ്റെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ നാളാണ്. ഈ എൻ്റെ ഓണ സീരീസിൽ ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം സ്പെഷ്യൽ ഓണ സദ്യ പരിപ്പ് കറി കൊണ്ടാണ്. വരൂ, നമുക്ക് പോയി ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം സ്പെഷ്യൽ പരിപ്പ് കറി ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. For the Trivandrum special Sadya Dal Curry, I have a 250 ml measuring cup of mung dal weighing 200 grams. Before we cook this dal, we have to dry roast it first. So let's just set it aside for now and attend to the grinding of the coconut paste. Here are the ingredients for the ground coconut paste. Firstly, a 3/4 cup of grated coconut, 5 green bird's eye chillies, and 1 heaping teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now let's grind this to a smooth paste. Here is the ground coconut paste. Now let's start cooking. Let's first dry roast the mung dal. Turn the stove on and dry roast the mung dal on a low-medium flame. The dal is getting a nice brown now, so let's continue to roast it. The dal is nicely roasted now. Let's turn off the stove, cool this dal and then wash it. The dal has been washed and is now back on the stove. Let's add 1 liter of water and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now turn on the stove. Stir the turmeric into the dal and cook the dal on a high flame until it comes to a boil. The dal has come to a boil. Let's now lower the flame and cook the dal. As the dal has been roasted, it will take longer to cook. That's why I added 1 liter of water. The dal is cooked now. The dal took about 30 minutes to cook. I added another 200 ml of water in the interim. The dal broke down on its own, but we can still make the gravy smoother with the back of our ladle. Now that the dal is cooked and mashed up, let's add the ground coconut mixture. Rinse the container and pour the water into the dal. Now stir the coconut mixture into the dal. Then add salt to taste. Stir well and leave the dal to cook on a medium flame until the raw smell of the coconut disappears. This should take about 2 minutes. The raw smell has gone. Now let's turn off the stove. Then add the fresh curry leaves. Stir the curry leaves into the dal. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and stir well. The Onam Sadya Dal Curry or Parippu curry. Eat it first with a big dollop of ghee and some pappadams. The taste is phenomenal. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.